सेट ऑल सेट। चाहे 4 दिन के लिए भी हो तो डिक्की भर जाती है। टेम्परेचर करा 3 डिग्रीज आउटसाइड, लेकिन 3 तो नहीं होगा, ठंडा है वैसे। ट्रिप मीटर 0 कर दिया। अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 350 किलोमीटर्स टू लुधियाना। लेट अस सी नाउ। Location I put as Radisson Blu, Ludhiana. It says 335 kilometers, 6 hours 9 minutes. So presently it is showing the route via Narela only, not through the eastern peripheral. Let us see कैसे आगे चलता है route. जय बजरंगबली, बोल भी मलू। जय बजरंगबली। We are just leaving at 8:57 a.m. जय बजरंगबली। बोल भाई। हाँ बोल दिया। We have to take a detour via Wazirabad barrage. We'll go via eastern peripheral. We don't want to go to that Narela area and get stuck there. 1 hour. It's 1 hour we left home. In fact, 1 hour and 5 minutes. The thing is, we have reached a place called Khekda in Bagpat district of Ghaziabad. Within 2 kilometers, we'll be touching the eastern peripheral and on to Rai Sonipat. So anyways, we have avoided the Narela traffic. That is how it is going on. So far, so good. This is eastern peripheral. So we have avoided that road blockade near Narela, Delhi-Singhu border, where the farmers are agitating. It has almost taken the same time what it would have taken had we reached via Narela. Anyways, we are going to reach Sonipat now, Rai. Crossing Panipat, we have come about 100 kilometers in 2.5 hours. I have been seeing these roads, diversions ever since 1998 and when I was in Ludhiana. Kabhi 2 lane, kabhi 4 lane, kabhi 6 lane. Now it is 8 lane getting done. That is the reason for little bit slow. Maybe the coming years we will see faster roads. है ना भाई? Almost 5 किलोमीटर लंबा फ्लाईओवर है ये पानीपत का। बहुत पुराना है। एक टाइम में हम लोग बहुत जाम लगती थी, बहुत जाम लगती थी। अभी हम ऊपर से निकल जाते हैं। तमिलनाडु व्हीकल इन पानीपत करनाल के बीच में। टेकिंग अ कॉफी ब्रेक at सागर रत्ना करनाल। So we had a stretching break, tea break, and also a coffee break. Neat washrooms.
So what's the experience?
The washroom was pretty neat for Indian standards. That's what my dad told me to say, Indian standards. So I'm telling it.
It's too cold. It's windy
not
out
cold,
here.
It's chilly.
It's chilly. It's windy. It's windy.
That's why it's called chilly.
That's why इधर हुडी पहनना पड़ता है यार। धूप भी है, उसके बावजूद भी it's so cold here. The temperature would be what, around 10-12 degrees. After a short break here, the hot coffee on a chilly, windy day. Of course, we didn't go through the drive-through. Set to leave now. अम्बाला
वो स्टेशन आ गया ना सर अम्बाला का।
1:36 पे, मैंने बोला 1:35 पे आएंगे, तो हमें लगे हैं 9 बजे चले, 4 घंटे 35 मिनट, 200 कितना है किलोमीटर? 220 किलोमीटर। 20-25 किलोमीटर एक्स्ट्रा घूम के आए बिकॉज ऑफ लोनी, और 40 मिनट का ब्रेक लिया हमने। स्टिल पानीपत तक रोड जरा ख़राब था बिकॉज ऑफ 6 to 8 लेन बन रहे हैं, और अभी अम्बाला से पानीपत के बाद रोड अच्छा था, मक्खन की तरह 70, 80, 80, 70, 80, 90, 100 अच्छे स्पीड पे आ रहे थे। आफ्टर दोराहा वी हैव टेकन द सदर्न बाईपास फ्रॉम दोराहा along with the canal, so it will go straight up to Verka milk plant on Firozpur road, skipping Ludhiana. We will avoid the entire traffic of Ludhiana. We came to this VRS Nagar where I stayed. This is the Shitla Mata Mandir, where there's a very old Prachin Shitla Mata Mandir is भगवान की मूर्ति है.
I thought balcony बड़ा होगा, but at the end छोटा निकल गया. तो उन्होंने बिस्तर वगैरह रखा है ना पप्पू.
नहीं साइज तो उतना ही था यार बालकनी.
नहीं मेरे को बचपन में बड़ा, I mean तू भी तो छोटी थी वाले साइज की.
उसमें साइकिल चलाती थी उस बालकनी में.
मेरे मेमोरी में वो बालकनी बहुत बड़ा.
लुधियाना मॉल रोड है ये. 9 डिग्री टेम्परेचर आउटसाइड. इट्स प्रीटी कोल्ड. अंधेरा हो गया. वी आर गोइंग टू द होटल. So we are checked into the room. So we left Delhi at 8:57 in the morning, say around 9 o'clock in the morning. So initially you guys were aware that due to this Narela agitation, that farmers station, the Narela border is closed. So we took a different route via Loni and took that eastern peripheral. Post that we reached Panipat around in maybe Karnal in 3.5 hours, and had a nice cup of hot coffee and tea from Sagar Ratna. Then subsequently left there. After Panipat, the road was fantastic. It was like Makhan, and we reached Ludhiana at 3:30. We beat Google by around 25 minutes because we fooled Google by taking some shorter route via Ludhiana Southern Bypass, which I came to know, and Google was not aware. It was a fantastic road, and subsequently we came to MBD Radisson, checked in. This is how. Thanks for watching. So some nostalgic memory recall today for Jannu and me. Jannu may not remember all those. It is 22 years back that we lived in Ludhiana. So on the way to Dharamshala, we just had a stop at Ludhiana. We deliberately had a stop at Ludhiana so that we don't have to drive 12 hours non-stop. So 6 hours to Ludhiana. Then we went to that old house, saw the person. In fact, I had sent a message to the landlord who was in Canada, and they told the present this person who is staying there. So they knew us, so they could recollect Janandi being so small and Malanu being so small. I don't know. They said that they had dosa idli given by Nalini and all. That's all. Anyways, after that we went to see the Shitla Mata Mandir, which is close by. Then the CFC Public School where Jannu studied class 1, and the other junior school at Gurudev Nagar, and went through some of the posh markets of Ludhiana, Civil Lines, Mall Road, Gumar Mandi and all those places. Went couple of shops. The rates were not so cheap. We thought Delhi was cheaper. Anyways, that was today's. It's said to be the design of Ram Mandir at Ayodhya, kept in a Ludhiana MBD mall. Looks good. Looks nice. So this is a Neopolis mall. We are calling it a date now. Here we are staying at Radisson, Ludhiana. Okay. So hope you enjoyed today's series. Let us see how long it goes. Bye. Good night.